Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create subcategories in Wix Studio. Adding subcategories helps organize your content or products, making it easier for visitors to find what they need. Let's get started. On your website dashboard, move your cursor to the upper left part of the page. Here, you will see a drop-down menu. Click this drop-down, then choose Go to All Websites. When we are on the website list, select the website you want to edit and click Edit. After clicking Edit, you will be taken to the website editor. Now we need to go to our page. To manage the page, click My Store. Click the drop-down and select Store Pages. When you are here, go to the Category page. On this page, you can edit the page. When you are on the Category page, you will see Manage Category. Click this option. Wait for the Manage Categories dashboard to load. Now it is showing categories. All your products are listed here. If you want to add subcategories for your business, click the three dots next to the category. Then select Add Category. Click this and a new window will open. Now you can add a subcategory. You can upload an image, add descriptions, such as photo descriptions, and add products. You can activate the subcategory, set your preferences, and edit the category information here. When finished, just click Save. After saving, your subcategories will appear here. With a clear category system, your website will be more organized and user-friendly.